Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram black and white screen problem on your iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to when they open the Instagram that time Instagram black screen and white screen problem show on Android devices as well as iPhone. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue my iPhone and Android device. Before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about Android and iPhone. In this video, I give you 100% working solutions for the Instagram black screen and white screen problem fix. Please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Now the first one solution is latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all open the Play Store. In Play Store top corner search bar, in search bar search the Instagram application. Search the Instagram. After you can see also if you any latest versions available. Now please make sure update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and iPad. Now the second solution is most important. The solution is clear data and clear cache of the Instagrams. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications and press and hold. After second last option is app information. In the app informations first one option is storage uses. Now please make sure tap on it. Now right hand side corner clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure tap on both on you can easily fix your problems. Once you done this process on your iPhone and Android devices, then again open the Instagram. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Now the third one solution is most important. The solution is make app clone on your iPhone and Android device. Now the user's question is how to make the app clone. Now the first of all open the settings app. In settings apps find out the app clone and dual app option. In app cloner you can see also first one Instagrams and turn on the clone app. If you done these settings after you can see also second Instagram clone app is available on the home screens. Now the open it. After you can log in again your account Instagram on your iPhone and Android devices. This way too you can easily Instagram black screen and white screen problem fix on your iPhone and Android device. It's a very 100% working solutions for the Android users. Now I will show you last solutions for these problems. The solution is download install the old versions of the Instagrams. Now first of all find out the any browser like Chrome and Safari browsers. In browsers top corner search bar, in search bar search the older versions of the Instagrams. When the searching is completed, this website link I give you on my description box, so guys please make sure copy and paste on your browsers. When you open it your browsers in your iPhone and Android devices, now scroll down. After you can see also 29 April 2022 is stable versions for the Instagram. Now the download install the old versions of Instagrams. After again login your account. This way too you can easily Instagram black screen white screen problem on your iPhone and iPad fix. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much.